In today's video, I'm going to show you how to ungroup your pivot items within your pivot tables right here in Google Sheets. So in a previous video, I've already shown you how to group your items within your pivot tables here in Google Sheets. Well, today I'm going to show you how to ungroup those pivot items. So in this example, I have this raw data right here on my table, and on my other sheet, we have the pivot table. Within this pivot table, this data is grouped together by day of the week. Now, if we want to ungroup this, what we're going to do is to just right-click on this section right here. There you go, and select Ungroup Pivot Items. There you have it. So when you created those pivot date groups, you selected this one right here, and again, we have this grouped by day of the week. So if we want to ungroup those pivot items, we're just going to click on this one below that option, click on it, and here we have it. So now we have all of those dates enumerated right here on this pivot table. One more time, if we undo that, again, I'm just going to right click on this part where we have those grouped items. If we click on this one right here, we will not see that option. So we definitely have to click on this part. So if we right click, and select Ungroup Pivot Items right here. There we have it. So it's as simple as that. Make sure to click on the first column that you've grouped together, and that's usually your dates. And that's how you can ungroup your pivot items within your pivot table right here in Google Sheets. Now, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.